Okay, so good day everyone. I am representing the Universal Data Mining System. Our goal was to create a tool that doesn't just display data but acts as a decision support system. Unlike standard dashboards, our system features a multi-dataset cache, allowing users to manage various data streams like fuel prices and healthcare records within a single session without constant re-uploading. Okay, so first, let's look on the data analytics. Okay, so I'm gonna upload the CSVs. This one. Okay, so I'm gonna upload another one. Okay, so we have both our CSV right here. So notice on how the sidebar remains here. The it hidden until the data is initialized. So this ensures a clean user experience. Okay, so once I upload these CSVs, the system stores them on the session state cache. Yan. Ito yung state cache natin. Okay, so the system automatically performs data parsing and calculates descriptive metrics like the highest peak and average value immediately upon selection. Okay, so here we're gonna view also the raw data preview, for example, for the uh, doctor patients. And you can view the data of the CSV that we uploaded here. And we can see also at the uh, Petron data. Yan. Ito yung mga price ng data from I think, February to April. Yan, this is the data. Okay. So, uh, the second pillar is the pattern recognition. Okay. So, sa a raw CSV is just a numbers, but our system recognizes the temporal patterns. Yan. So, we have the at the system configuration. Okay. So I will select the legend group by. Okay, so when we apply the legend group by, the system distinguishes the patterns between different categories. Okay, so recognizing, for example, how diesel trends differently from gasoline. Okay, so yung diesel is the blue one. Okay, and then the Petron is the sky blue. So yan, or baby blue. So this visualization is the key to identifying seasonal or cyclinical patterns in the data. Ayan. Okay. So finally, the most critical part is the data mining. Okay, so or we call it the decision support. So the system features an automated variance scanner. So it doesn't show it doesn't just show the trend. It calculates the change or the difference between the data points. Okay, so it is explicitly flags significant drops. Yan. Okay, so for a business owner or a head doctor, this is actionable intelligence. Okay, so it tells them exactly how the performance dip, supporting them into deciding when to intervene, adjust prices, or increase staffing. So we can see it at the change right here. So ito yung peak niya. Okay, and then the price drop. So ito yung change. Okay, so nade-detect niya kung anong date, kung kailan siya nag-peak and when to roll back. Okay, so I can switch also on the doctor patients like that, but I'm gonna choose the legend right here, sample the doctor's name. So yan, so we can see the patient count. Okay, yan. Then we can see also the difference. Okay, so by combining this multi-file caching, okay, so we have, kasi we have the two CSV, okay, and then visual pattern recognition, And then the automated insights. And okay, and this one is the automated insights. Okay, so this universal system transfers raw data into strategic asset. Okay, so this is all. So thank you for joining this walkthrough. Bye.